Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we're doing a frostbite makeup look. You might be thinking it's a bit of a weird time of the year to do this, but I actually had this plan to be uploaded at Christmas time, but Christmas just got too busy and I didn't have time to do it. And I just found it and I thought I'll put it up now. It's a cute little mini tutorial. So I started this look off by having my brows glued down, then I went into the Snazaroo Clown White face paint and covered my face, neck and chest. I then got the P. Louise base in the shade 0 and primed my lids. I also added a little bit of this under my eyes as well. I then went into the Snazaroo Classic Face Paint in the shade Turquoise. I mixed this with a little bit of white so it was super pale and I used this as a contour. I then go into the Too Faced Rainforest of the Sea High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette, and I used the shade in that palette called Surf's Up, which is this beautiful turquoise shade, and I apply this over where my natural eyebrows would have been and I blend it down into my nose contour. I then go into the Rude Cosmetics United Shades of Glitter palette and I use the shade called IO Wow, and it is this really gorgeous dark blue glitter, and I put this on an angle brush and start to create some lines on where my eyebrows naturally are, but I start painting the lines going upwards to resemble some icicles. I then get the Colourpop Glitterily Obsessed body glitter in the shade Disco Lady and I start to apply this in the highlighted areas of my face. So I put this on the tip of my nose, round my lips like my cupid's bow, my cheekbones, my chin and in between where my brows would have been. I also add a little bit to the inner corners of my eyes as well. I then get the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liner in the shade Wet T-shirt and create some lines in between the lines that I've already done on my brows with the dark blue glitter. I also create a winged eyeliner. I then go back to that blue glitter and extend the lines on my brows so they are near enough the same length as the white lines. I then use the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Maui and I apply this on my lips. I then add a little bit of that Disco Lady glitter to my lips as well. For highlight, I use the shade Space Baby from Ofra Cosmetics and Nikkie Tutorials collab. This is a really glowy blue highlight, so I apply this practically everywhere as we are a Jack Frost or frostbite makeup look. I then put on this necklace, what is actually a Christmas tree decoration tied to a choker. I put on my wig and then I use the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner in the shade Prance in my waterline. I had these little battery powered lights that had icicles on them, so I put them around my head and then I used the Eldora false lashes in the style B801. I do have a discount code with Eldora as well as Colourpop and some other makeup brands in the description box down below. So this is the final look. This is my kind of Jack Frost frostbite makeup look. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. If you do like it, hit that like button as it will really help me and my channel out. And if you'd like to see more from me, you can press the subscribe button if you haven't already. Please make sure you're following my Instagram account. I've got a brand new account. It is at Brooke Ellis Makeup. It's on the screen right now and linked in the description box down below. So if you already followed me on Instagram, make sure it is my new account and not my old one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!